In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to embed a Google form in WordPress. You can use Google Forms to take a survey from your visitors and get more detailed information. It's very easy to embed them on your website. First, go to Google Forms, and we'll create a form here. You can choose from the given templates, or just click here on blank. Let's give this form a title here. And now let's add the first question. And then you can click here to add more questions. And now to embed this form to WordPress, click here on Send. And select the Embed option. Copy the embed code and now back in your WordPress dashboard, you can add this to a new page or post. So I'm going to create a new post here. And then we'll give this post a title. Make sure to change the editor from visual to text. And then paste the code in the text editor. Okay, now let's preview the changes. And as you can see, the Google form was embedded successfully. This is how you can embed a Google form in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.